Hello and welcome to today's guided meditation. As you take a moment to set the intention to sink into the present moment here and now, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Today, as we sink in to alchemy, holding space for all of the heavier things moving through our system and alchemizing it into pleasure, into gold, into bliss, into all that we desire. It's a powerful thing when you can deepen into a space of expansion to hold both the darkness and the light. When you can hold space for both the pain and the pleasure, the ugly and the beautiful. And as you learn to do this, you create new realities. You become absolutely turned on by life. So in this moment, as you deepen into your breath in through your nose as your belly expands, and out through your nose as your belly deflates, know that you are held, that you are loved, that you are cherished, and you are safe. Breathing in through your nose and out through your nose, sinking in to your pure essence. And as you breathe, envisioning in your mind's eye, walking down a dark forest path, beautiful lights glistening throughout the trees, and you know that the fairies surround you. The song of the owl in the distance, reminding you of your inner wisdom. The howl of the wolves under the moon remind you of your primal nature. And as you continue to walk down the beautiful, dimly lit forest path, a powerful red energy surrounds you, grounding you deep into the earth, into your truth. As the Earth Mother unburdens you, enveloping you in her womb, holding you tight and strong, continuing to walk down the path as an orange replaces the red. And as you breathe into this luscious orange energy, you feel fulfilled, overflowing with life force energy. Every need, body, mind, and spirit has been met. And you are safe to surrender into the beautiful flow of life and creation. Still rooted into the earth, safe in her womb, full of life force energy. As a vibrant yellow energy now moves through you, and as it does, a surge of power awakens like a flame being ignited. You have a drive for life, a confidence like never before, a knowing of your power and ability as you align with your will. This vibrant yellow energy electrifies your soul, propelling you forward towards all of your desired creations, still full of life force energy, grounded deep into the earth as a life-giving green surrounds you. This beautiful green energy awakens you to the love from which you came, the frequency of unconditional love vibrating through your soul, and a deep knowing as you sink in to the energy of oneness, expanded in this heart-centered way of being. You feel free, alive, awakened. The flame still burning, still absolutely full, grounded into the earth as a bright blue energy washes over you. This bright blue energy cleanses you of all fears, labels, and expectations. Judgments fall away as you align with your soul's truth, freely able to express your deep knowing. Your authentic self awakens here now, still open to love, flame ignited energy, overflowing, grounded into the earth. As an indigo blue awakens your mind's eye, revealing the true nature of this reality. Every sense active as your knowing comes into clear focus. Every answer you seek within you. A profound sense of universal connection. And with a final burst of color, a vibrant violet pours down through your crown, awakening your divinity, connecting you fully to the cosmos as you remember the God, Goddess you are. Fully aligned head to toe, soul to bone. Plugged into the cosmos, mind's eye in full view, soul expression awakened, heart open, flame ignited, energy full and flowing, grounded into the earth, completely aligned here and now. And standing in this alignment as you find yourself back on the forest path, pulsating with the beautiful trees, with the moon, with the earth beneath your feet, one with all. And as you walk down this path, you find yourself behind a beautiful pack of pure white wolves. Owls soaring overhead, they have come to lead you on this journey, here to protect you, to guide you, and to awaken your primal nature. As you follow your wolf friends down this beautiful path, they lead you to an amazing cottage. You see smoke trickling out the chimney, the moon glowing over the entire cottage. And as the wolves stand on either side of the doorway, ushering you in, You step through the door and find a beautiful fire lit, a cauldron bubbling with the most rich and exquisite smelling tea. You sit down at a table and let the fire warm you. And as you do, you are met by a beautiful goddess, the goddess of the forest, the alchemist, the witch. She is here with a powerful message for you to help you today to alchemize any of your burdens, your fears, your darkness into pleasure and light and love, and to teach you on this journey the power of holding that pain, that darkness, that doubt, and your ability to expand into greater levels of love and light through it. As you sit with her here, she scoops tea from the cauldron, pouring it into your glass, explaining to you that as you drink it, all of your burdens, worries, fears, and doubts, anything causing you uncomfortable sensations now, will be revealed. As you drink the tea, notice what arises within you. For the next several moments, let all of your worries fall out onto the table before you. And as you do, listen to the powerful message that the forest goddess has for you today. The time is yours to listen, to learn, to release. As the goddess finishes her message, and you notice a pool of dark energy on the table before you, representing all that you released here today, the goddess prompts you to gather up all of this energy and to toss it into the cauldron. As you do, flames of every color ignite. You feel yourself exquisitely turned on, deepening into your connection with all of your fears, worries, and pains, seeing that they too were simply sensations, creating energy within you. And as these colorful flames ignite, the goddess tells you to set your intention for all that you wish to create, to speak it through words or thoughts into the cauldron here and now. As you speak the words, know the intentions of that which you create. Feel the pleasure move through your body, a deep knowing that you can transform any sensation into pleasure, into light, into love. Let your dreams and desires awaken within you. And with each breath, with each thought, with each vision, watch the flame grow brighter, bigger, more colorful than before. Feel yourself expand, knowing that as you hold space for your pain, you also hold space for your pleasure. As you hold space for your fears, you also hold space for your dreams. And as you see now that this darkness has no control over you, allow yourself to know within your heart all that you are creating. Feel the pleasure moving through your entire body, completely turned on by every sensation felt here today. The goddess scoops one more glass from the cauldron, inviting you to drink it as you awaken this knowing within you. She pours the rest of the cauldron into a vase and puts a lid atop of it. She shrinks it down to the size of a pendant, puts it on a string, and ties it around your neck. It will be stored in your heart for safekeeping as a reminder of the power, the alchemy, the magic present within you today and all days, to remind you that even your darkness can be transformed into the most mesmerizing light as you accept it, as you swim through it, as you befriend it, and that here and now, all of the fuel that you need and desire to create your wildest dreams are awake and alive within you. As you move forward with faith, you will watch them materialize rapidly, without hesitation. You feel this in your bones, you know it in your soul, and the goddess thanks you for your trust today. As you say your goodbyes, giving her a warm hug and a beautiful farewell, she guides you back onto the porch where your new wolf family swirls around you, where the owls sing above you, both of them letting you know that they will be here with you for the remainder of your earthly journey, that you can call upon them for a reminder of this magic any time of day. As you follow them back down the beautiful forest path, a white light surrounding you as you sink fully into your power and purpose. Every step you take now, leading you home into the remembering of all that you are, breathing in through your nose and a big exhale out your mouth as you release and awaken, moving your fingers and toes as you become aware of your human vessel, intending to be fully present here now, a remembering of all that you just experienced in your heart and a knowing that your dreams are coming true. Live accordingly. Namaste.